To have money burning a hole in your pocket. How do you use this to supersize your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. This looks more like waves than it does like flames, but for some reason there's no flame filters today. Our idiom, our money idiom for the month of November for today is money burning a hole in your pocket. This is an expression that's been around since the mid-1700s. It, of course, alludes to people actually have to take money out of their pocket in order to spend it. And for some people, when they have money, when they have access to money, it actually drives them crazy. They have to spend it. They are always looking for ways to spend it. Think of lottery winners. They have all this money and they have to find ways to get rid of it as soon as possible. Or famous athletes or people that run into fame or fortune relatively quickly. I think of entertainers and stars and famous athletes, and then all of a sudden they lose their money. We all know of people like that where they'll get some money and they have to spend it as fast as they possibly can. They get paid on Fridays, they're down at the bar Friday nights buying a round of drinks for everybody in the tavern. So how do you feel? I like to do things on a scale of 1 to 10, but how comfortable are you with saving versus spending? Expenses versus investing in things? How comfortable are you with having money in your bank account? I don't know about you, but I have a thermostat, a personal thermostat, and I like to have a certain amount of money in my bank account, a certain amount of money in my wallet, a certain amount of investments before I feel comfortable. And beyond that comfort level, I'm comfortable spending. I don't have it burning a hole in my pocket. I don't have to spend it, but I'm more willing to invest after I have achieved and maintained that level of comfort. So when we're building our businesses, are we making decisions based on short-term immediate gratification or long-term goals and objectives? Are we investing or are we just spending money and incurring expenses? And are there ways that we can turn some of those expenses into investments so that they aren't just eating away at our bottom line? Love to know your experience with this particular idiom or expression, to have money burning a hole in your pocket. I know when I was younger, I was actually a pretty good saver, but there were some times when I'd run into a chunk of money. I'd do a job, an odd job or something, and I'd have a bunch of money, and I would go out and just blow it and splurge. But for the most part, I have always been a saver. I would save up to get something bigger that I wanted. I remember saving for a couple of years to get this fantastic stereo system I wanted to take away to college with me. And I kept it for, 20 years. So obviously it was a good investment versus splurging and spending money every weekend and just partying and having fun. That's it. That's our idiom today. Go out, make it an awesome day. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another money-related idiom for the month of November. Have a great day. Any questions, ask. Any money idioms you'd like to know the origin of and how they might be used to supersize and grow your business, ask that as well. And I will be with you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.